neck out there. Silver tone beads. Oh, look at my table over here, guys. It's getting piled up with jewelry. You see that? I know it's dark in here. If I turn on too many of my overhead lights, I don't, in a travel trailer, my inverter kicks on, my battery inverter. I don't want to do that. Okay, that's a hoop earring we're going to put over there. But we got a lot of string things that we're probably not. Oh, what's this? I'm going to make some earrings. Those are glass beads. Put those over there. We're not going to keep that. Not going to keep that. This is neat. Kind of dainty. That string, I don't know, it's dirty. Okay, we're going to get rid of these. Sorry that we are. Oh, I apologize to you. I pay for this stuff. There's an earring. Put it over there until we find the mate. Get rid of these because we found the mate. Let's see what else. Oop, this is broken. This has a tag on it. What does it say? Made in Korea again. Okay, let's get some. Oh, I like this. Oh, I thought it was magnetic because of that, but it slides in like this. Hey, look, those are really rough. Are those seeds or something that are they're really heavy. This isn't signed or anything. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, interesting necklace. Let's get out some more and put it up. Oh, this brooch. I saw this in the picture. Oh, it's Sarah Coventry. Look, Sarah Coventry on the card. How often do you see Sarah Coventry on the card? It's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Silver tone. Brooch. That was our first brooch, wasn't it? Because the other ones were like catkins. Looks like we got some still on the card. Bangles. Lots of bangles. Cool. Let's get this necklace off there. Okay. Where'd they come from? Kohl's. $18. Lauren Conrad. Oh, those might go up. I'll put them on Poshmark. Yeah, I might just sell it for somebody. A regular $18. Put those with the bracelets. I saw this. This was interesting. I think this was the one that had the tag on it. No, it's not. Oh, I don't like the chain, but what is that? This is like a lobster clasp there, and then it's got. Oh, is it articulated? Oh, it's just little charms. It's a crescent moon, a money bag, a star, a heart, a bear, and a cupid. That's interesting. It's like a charm necklace. Oh, it's really long. Sorry. Isn't that pretty? Cool necklace. Remember, all this stuff's for sale. Oh, look, we found our other earring mate. Very pretty. Okay, put those over there. I might have to go and get this off this phone because I might overload the phone. We got some leaves. Silver tone earring. We'll put that right there. What's this? Oh, it's an earring. It's a cluster of pearl earring. Oh, that would match that one necklace. I see a big pendant that's drawing my eye. Oh, this is... No, it's not. I thought it was the one that was signed best. It's not signed. I will most likely take that off that cord. That's a really heavy pendant. This is pretty, whatever it is. This part is really heavy. Oh, it's signed. Ooh, don't drop it. Oh, it's a good sign, too. Look at this. Crown Trifari, you guys. Yeah! Crown Trifari. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but I call it Crown Trifari because see over the T right there? Here, I'll zoom in on it. See how over the T right there, it has a crown? That indicates when they have the crown on them, they're a bit older. It's got some of that green stuff on it. What's that called? Verdigris or whatever it's called. But that is an awesome necklace. Crown Trifari. So if they got the crown on it like that, and there's different ways they put the crown on it if you look at it. I've been wanting to start a blog about jewelry. I was thinking about starting a blog about jewelry and giving information about it, and then we can all learn from it. Yeah, I had another one of these in my last one, but it was a lot longer than this. They're really heavy silver tone bead. I've heard people say that these, oh, they're knotted in between. That these could be hematite? I don't know. They're really heavy. Nice. Ooh, glass. I have a string on it, not a hair, but a string. Glass beads. Oh, they're gorgeous. Come on. Zoom in on right. They're like painted glass beads. They've got little flowers on them. Quit squeaking, table. It's a stretchy bracelet. Oh, even the seed beads are glass. Awesome. Okay, what's this? Just a little bracelet. Oh, it's pretty. Quit unfocusing. Is my autofocus on now? I don't know, I'm talking to my camera. I'm talking to myself, actually. Nice bracelet. Okay. That's a little study ring we'll put over there. What does this say? Made in Korea. It's a little necklace. That's very small. I don't think I'll keep that. Ooh, I like the feel of these beads. They're not glass. They're a pretty green color. They might be glass. No, they don't. Not cold though. Oh, it's unstretchy. That's pretty. I don't know where that is. A wrap around, like do it like this because I don't have. Can't wear bangles. See? Isn't that pretty? That would make a really pretty bracelet. Gorgeous. Now don't break it, Melissa, when you get it off your big old hand. Oh look, we found the other. Oh, wait a minute. We must have more than one set of these because these are together. Earrings. Oh, let's see. It's a little stretchy bracelet. It's cute. Ooh, glass beads. You know, these are cold and they're ice cold. Those are pretty glass beads. Stretchy bracelet. Is that a hair? I'm getting a lot of strings off of stuff. Stretchy bracelet. I put that probably in repurpose. Okay, I'm gonna have to go download this video because it's been so long. But first, what an interesting earring. I don't know what that is. And a pretty bracelet. I'm bad. I just keep going. Ooh, I like that. I've got a lot of green jewelry. I like green. That is really pretty. That almost looks like mother of pearl. Let's see if it's magnetic. I don't know if that would have anything to do with it. Yeah, it is. Alright, I'm gonna go download this. I've got 45 minutes on here. And we'll dig out some more jewelry. This is gonna be like 12 parts probably. Look at this, it's got a shoe. Look at a shoe. I had something like this when I was a kid, a necklace with a shoe on it. That's neat though. Alright, I'm gonna go download this. Okay guys, I'm back. I undid that big pile that was over there. Some of it was really broken, so it had to be pitched. But I got this little bracelet out of there. These are just plastic beads, but it's cute. Okay, this necklace. Oh, it's broken. I didn't notice it was broken. Well, let's not worry about that. This little charm pendant, is on the end of this. I think I'll take it off because this chain's pretty rough. It's got a lot of wear on it. But that's cute. It's not, it's like really hard enamel. So. And then I found this. It like fell out of that when I went to shake that stuff. And I thought, ooh, that's nice. It's a fold over clasp. And it's actually, I was right. It is, if you can see right there, it's a napier. That's awesome. That's a really pretty, see that gold chain through that and then the faux pearls. That's really nice looking. The bracelet. And this little bracelet but these are all glass beads. We got this necklace. It's all spiky-licious. Really lightweight. Sorry about that sound. Look at this pendant. Somebody made that, didn't they? Yep, it says, Colson made it. Well, good job, Colson. Thumbs up. I like that. I'll take that off the cord and somebody will buy that, Colson. And you can be proud. Okay, just like that. Okay, we got, oh, it's a clamper bracelet. I thought it was a stretchy bracelet. That's neat. It's enamel. Let's see if there's any signature in it. Mardi Gras beads in here, along with the Joker. I think I like that though, because these are more than just Mardi Gras beads. They're kind of, you know, just a little something extra. Okay, why is that like wrapped around it like that? Is it attached to it or? Oh, okay, sorry. But these are really hard plastic Jokers. That goes into the beads. What do you guys think? Anybody would like those? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those Joker pieces on there. I might keep that so I can repurpose it. Ooh, look at this beautiful color. This beautiful glass pendant. I'm liking red, white, and blue. Heart. Ooh, that's nice. Piggybacking on there. An earring. Pretty earring. Ooh, that's beautiful. I like that. It's really heavy. I like glass pendants. Ew, I see a necklace with a watch on it. Oh, is it a locket? It's got a hinge on it. It's got to be a locket. How do you open it? Oh, like that. Dumb, Melissa. Like a pocket watch you open it? Okay, how long is it going to take me to figure out how to open this? Let's time me. Because it opens. Okay, I'm not gonna be timed. I'll look like a fool. I'm gonna go try to get this open. Okay, I got it open, and through the power of technology, you don't know how long it took me. It just opens up like that. It's just the glass part of it. That's neat though. It's on a really long chain. Very nice. Very nice watch. It's not ticking. Oh, it's still got the plastic on it. I bet something I didn't even use this. See if we can do the hands move. I could put a watch battery in there, but I think I might just sell it and let you guys. One of you guys put a watch battery in there. We have some Mardi Gras beads we're going to be throwing away because they're just, you know, Mardi Gras beads. These are interesting beads. I don't know. They almost look like Fruit Loops, don't they? I don't know what these are, but they're interesting. They're interesting feeling. They're real hard. They're not plastic. What is this though? It's like a wad or something around it, but I think it's on it. It has on a watch. Ooh, it's one of those dainty little ladies' watches. It is Watch It. Oh, sorry. You ever heard of a Watch It? Me either. It's broken at the end, but somebody could take this and repurpose it. Alright. What's this? Celebration something. Okay, I'm trying to get this all these Mardi Gras beads. Another watch. Oh yeah, I saw this one in the picture. It looked like a nice watch. Anne Klein. Cool. Nice Anne Klein watch. It is not broke. I thought it was. Wait a minute, is it? No, it opens up. Yeah, it's fine. That is a nice watch. I have to look that one up. How much Anne Klein watches go for. Alright, I'll be right back. I've got to, well, wait a minute. I got this untangled. It's got a, Banana Republic bracelet. BR like that. Put them backwards to each other. Here. That is something that goes somewhere I don't want to know. Okay. Oh, cute little earring. Leaf. Sorry, you're on focus. We'll put that over there till we find the other one. Okay, put that over there. I'm trying to get this undone. Because there's an interesting thing in here of all these keys hanging off of it. Isn't that interesting? Yeah, I thought it was keys. Oh, it's not keys. Ooh, I don't know if it's interesting. What are those? Alright, I'm going to pause and get this untangled so we can look at it together. Ooh, look how dirty my hands are. Okay, I got this untangled. This is an interesting piece. I don't know if somebody made it. It's on yarn, which I'm going to try to clean this by putting it through my sonic cleaner. And then it's got these metal pieces off of it. These. Let's see if they're, I'm sure they're probably magnetic. Yeah, they are. But I thought at first these look like keys, but they're not keys. But it kind of looks tribal to me. I'm going to kind of zoom in on it so you guys can see a little better. See that? Is that interesting? I don't know how I describe that, but somebody might like that. Well, it's really heavy. The metal pieces are heavy. And then I got this necklace. I really like it. It reminds me of another one I got that's wooden, but this one isn't wooden. I would wear this because you can just throw it over your head. It's very colorful. It's really hard. Oh, my battery's going low. I gotta go get my cord. But anyway, this is really, really long. See? And then it comes down and it makes this piece. I have another one like this. It's wooden. And this might be something I keep. Might be ceramic. That might be what it is. And then we got this little necklace. It's just a chain. It's got this little, zoom in. So this little grouping of glass beads. That's cute. On this long chain. And the little grouping of beads are really pretty. Purples and blues. Okay. I'm throwing it over there in a pile, and you know it's probably getting all tangled. And then this is just a little beaded necklace that you'd wear like this. Hold on a second. You should wear like this. Back up. That. It's from Talbot's. Isn't Talbot's a store in the mall? These are glass. All different colored blues. These are navy blue. So, I'm going to go get my cord and download these two videos. And then I will be back with some more. I'm going to wash my hands too. See you in a bit.